I'm about to undergo hair transplant surgery in 9 days from now, and I'm very excited. I'm getting the procedure done at Hair Restoration BlackRock. I suppose what led me to HRBR was I was speaking to one of my friends about getting a hair transplant eventually, and he recommended just visiting HRPR for a consultation. From there, I met Dr. Maurice Collins. I suppose the minute I walked into HRPR, I could tell there was a certain amount of professionalism. I was never sold a hair transplant. It was always in the best interest for me personally. They told me what I had to hear instead of what I wanted to hear. I suppose every man kind of losing their hair wants to regain their youthful look or what they looked like when they were 16, and I went in as a young man concerned about my hair loss, and Maurice told me what I could expect. And I suppose the reason I'm getting it now is because my hair loss is stabilized and I'm in a position where I can get a hair transplant and won't lose the rest of my hair at the rate I was losing it before I visited HRBR, which is a massive reason why I'm getting it done. Another reason I'm getting it done at HRBR is because I've seen a lot of pictures and videos of people that visit clinics in Turkey, and the recovery process doesn't seem as smooth. And I'm a very active, I like to consider myself a very active and sociable person. That was my biggest concern, is how fast can I get back to normal life? And from looking at people that have been through the process at HRBR, it looks to be very fast and smooth. So I'm really looking forward to it. I've done a lot of research on kind of other clinics, and the name that kept popping up was Hair Restoration BlackRock, and I'm very excited to undergo surgery soon enough. So I'm just going to document, I suppose, my journey throughout, the recovery process, how fast I can get back to normal life and back to social activities as well. So I can't wait.